Someone rightly said, on earth there is no heaven, but there are pieces of it. And to prove this statement, today I am going to take you to a place where you will find the serene and exceptional beauty of nature. So that's why this video is going to be a very wonderful one. So don't skip the video till end, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So here we are. आप लोगों को जो कार दिख रहा है तो उसी रास्ते से आप लोग सोनोका इकोकम तक जा सकते हैं अगर आप लोग आना चाहते हैं तो। लेकिन आप लोगों को मैं डिटेल में बता दूं कि इस जर्नी के आगे मैं इतना डिटेल्स आप लोगों को ज़रूरी बता दूंगा कि आप लोग इस प्लेस के फ़ैन हो जाएंगे और आप इस प्लेस को एक्सप्लोर किए बिना नहीं रह पाएंगे। Since it's monsoon, so we took a boat to reach the place that is Pokoriamuk near Sonoka in Mayang. So according to the belief of the local people, when you travel via boat, so in that case you can't wear sandals or shoes. That's interesting. आप लोगों को शायद वीडियो में देख के इतना तो पता ही चल चुका होगा कि रास्ता कितना अच्छा है, लेकिन एक बात मैं आप लोगों को क्लियर करके बोल देता हूँ कि पूरा जो रास्ता है गुवाहाटी से मैंने जर्नी शुरू किया था। सो गुवाहाटी से यहाँ तक आने के लिए ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 1-1.5 घंटा तो लग गया, क्योंकि 40 to 45 किलोमीटर का जर्नी है और बीच बीच में मैं कहीं कहीं पे रुका हूँ। तो पूरा रास्ता एक्सेप्शनली ब्यूटीफुल है, आप लोगों को कुछ भी टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आप लोग आँख बंद करके गाड़ी चला सकते हैं, लेकिन ऐसा मत कीजिएगा। ऑन द रोड टू सोनोका आप लोग यहाँ के फेमस नरसिम्हा का मंदिर भी देख सकते हैं। वो नरसिम्हा जिनको भगवान विष्णु का एक रूप भी माना जाता है, हु किल्ड द डेमन हिरण्यकशिप। यू विल बी सरप्राइज टू नो दैट पानी कम होने की वजह से वो आदमी नाव के आगे खड़ा होके देख रहा है कि पानी कितना है, क्योंकि अगर ये नीचे लग गया तो नाव डूब भी सकता है। आप लोग को वहाँ पे एक जगह थोड़ा थोड़ा करके दिखाई दे रहा होगा, शायद वही प्लेस है जो जिसको धौलपुर बोलते हैं। दैट वाज एक्चुअली फेमस एंड दैट वाज इन न्यूज़। व्हाई? बिकॉज आवर सीएम सर हिमंत बिश्वा शर्मा visited to inspect the riverine areas that were allegedly encroached on by illegal settlers near Dholpur Shiva Mandir, and the land was donated for the public. So this will be undoubtedly one of the cheapest journey for you guys, because रास्ता पूरा क्लीन और बहुत ही अच्छा है, मैंने आप लोगों को बोल ही दिया। नेक्स्ट, थोड़ा सा भी ट्रैफिक नहीं मिलेगा आप लोगों को, एंड थर्ड, नो पास और प्रायर परमिशन इज नीडेड, सो दैट्स व्हाई यू कैन सेव फ्यूल एंड एट द सेम टाइम द मनी। हम लोगों में से बहुतों के लिए मायांग इज ओनली द प्लेस ऑफ मैजिक, बट आई कैन से नो, however it is more than that, because here you can see the longest stone inscriptions in Asia, the longest stone inscriptions in Asia. So with 3.85 meter, which is located at a hilly village which is known as Burha Mayang. The place is also famous for its archaeological ruins and monuments. So yes, you can definitely come here and you can actually explore all these places. एक बात मैं आप लोगों को क्लियर करके बोल देता हूँ कि आप लोगों को चेयर वगैरह कैरी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि द होल एरिया इज कवर्ड विथ रॉक्स to sit and the varieties of trees and plants to be ready to provide you shade all around. It's just mesmerizing. You just need to come. Why? Because if in other areas what happened, so we need to actually call, we need to actually suppose like arrange everything so that we can relax. But here everything has been made ready by the mother nature, so that's really mesmerizing. हैरानी की बात तो ये है कि आप लोगों को यहाँ पे मंदिर तो दिख जाएगा लेकिन पुजारी नहीं दिखेगा. That's why people who visits the temple, they only used to arrange everything. That's why you can't see any pujari or priest here. यह जगह दरअसल नदी से व्यापार करने वाले व्यापारियों के लिए ज़्यादा फेमस है. लोगों का कहना है कि पहले यहाँ पे एक पुजारी रहता था जो सब कुछ यहाँ पे मेंटेन करता था. But later on, taking the advantage of the deserted feature of this place, so someone killed him and finally stolen all the bell metal utensils and other valuable assets of the temple donated by the Ahom kings. That's why I think people still use these bell metal utensils as a symbol of royalty in Assam, as it was most probably used and introduced by the Ahom kings. Interestingly, you can see the rock cut structures of Shiva and Ganesha, who are the Hindu deities worshipped all over in India widely. आप लोग इस वीडियो में जो कुछ भी देख पा रहे हैं, that is temples and all the rock cut structures are made during the Ahom kingdom in Assam, who have entered into Brahmaputra Valley of Assam almost in 1228th century under the leadership of Sukafa. So finally, our Assamese veg thali is prepared by our local cooks. Why is it so? Because this place is totally a deserted one, and that's why you won't find any cook on rent also. हम लोगों में से बहुतों को पता ही होगा कि इसको पालना बोलते हैं in Assamese, and in English it's known as yath. So here it is locally designed specially for fishing, as for most of the people the basic occupation is fishing and agriculture here. And this pal or this curtain used to help in case of controlling the boat, as well as it will help or it will protect the boat from different types of winds, so which used to blow over the rivers. So you have seen, I think, in movies and all. Everywhere you can see some rock art or rock cut structure here. So if anyone is fond of these things, then definitely they can actually come here and they can make a detailed study of this thing. So here it is the place which everyone wants to visit at least once in his lifetime. This place is famous for its beach facility, fishing facilities, hiking facility, beachfront, walking tours, beach umbrellas, next restaurants, hotels, camping in jungles, next quad bikings, okay, which is also famous all over in the world. Why is it so? Because basically it is used to be done on sands, but here definitely you will be surprised to know that yes, all these waters and all, so they get dry, and when it will get dry, in that case these type of facilities can be done over here only, and which is basically a famous sports, so in Dubai and in other countries. If you really want to visit this place, then definitely you can see the Kanai Borokhiboa Hill also. लोगों का कहना है कि इसके पास ही एक पहाड़ पे एक पत्थर का बहुत बड़ा कछुआ है जो अपने पाप के कारण श्रापित है. सो लोगों का मानना है कि if the flood water increases and touches the tortoise, then it will be freed from the curse. So that's really interesting. I feel very fortunate to see a turkey bird here. Why is it so? Because it's not a local bird of Assam, rather it's a North American bird. And yes, it's a female one. Why? Because male one is much more colorful and huge in size. But here it is white. आप लोग अगर कभी चंद्रपुर आते हैं, then you will be having the privilege to visit the Paramath Sonaram Sevashram, which has been made in the name of Sonaram Talukdar, who was the local spiritual head for these people, which is in Nunmati village in Mayang, who has edited the books like Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Pavitra Vranti, etc.